Hi there. This is not for everyone. Unless you want to make a real change for your income and time freedom situation, please skip ahead and make space for those who are looking for a serious answer to the work anxiety and want for more time with their families and interests. If you are lazy and not willing to work for yourself and your future to create something sustainable and long-term that goes on autopilot, move your ass and scroll away your life and let those in need of more time for their interests and fulfillment in life take this invitation instead. Becoming one of the modern wealthy is not for everyone. Not for those who actually enjoy the commute, to hold back-to-back meetings, to have awkward talks in the lunchroom, seeing the light fade outside, content to kiss their kids on the forehead, already put to sleep when they come home at night and need to work an extra hour before they can go to sleep. This is not for you. If you're not willing to learn how to build a hyper-profitable online business in one or more areas with step-by-step and over-the-shoulder guidance, this invitation is limited. So please make space for those in real need of a totally new way of making a living and support their families, who are willing to invest some time into learning to master the online business world. Because for those people, I really want to share this opportunity. So go to the next page, enter your details, and let's continue this discussion. This is the day when everything changes.